Well, just a quick update on what I've been working on FrankenTruck tonight and last couple nights. Haven't been taking a lot of video because I've just been trying to work away, and thought I'd give you an update. So first thing, if you remember, I said that I had to install this weather strip before I can install these panels, and these panels before the seat belts. Well, let's just say I have the front seat belts installed. Now here's kind of a goofy thing: is the I don't know, female end is so long. I just don't know where else I'm supposed to mount it. It just sticks up so far. But these are Dodge seats, so maybe that's what the deal is. I don't know. I don't really get it, but I think they look pretty good. Like I said, this piece down here, just, you know, it's not factory, but it looks good enough. Good enough for who I run around with. This weather strip, I tried to pick some up at O'Reilly's. They didn't have any. I got some similar from Advance Auto, but it was not nearly as thick, and this inside lip, which goes on this pinch weld on the body in here, was just not right. It was just rubber. I mean, it was never going to stay in there. So I found on the online interwebs this other stuff, which, let's see, precision, but something about USA, and then made in Taiwan, I'm pretty sure it says somewhere. Well, anyways, there's a part number for you. If you have one of these square bodies, this is the right stuff. This is what would have come factory on here. And it actually has like steel, spring steel, inside this inside lip to just really stick it on there. And as you can see by my hands, I used some weather strip adhesive. Of course, I used too much, but I got it. They give you a little bit extra, which is great, and then you can kind of overlap this outside piece. You got to cut the inside pretty much right flush, but you can overlap the outside piece so that it kind of seals up a little bit better. But it's pretty good stuff. I like it. I mean, it feels very soft like the original. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 shoulder straps installed, except I'm missing this trim piece back here, so that one's not tight. So I found a guy pretty close that might have another piece, unless I can find mine, which I don't know where mine would have gone. I've looked. So anyways, and then I installed the other half here, the female half, down on the floor, and I'm reusing this center seatbelt on the front seat, but on the back I had to order another center strap, which is just a lap belt, because there's obviously no place to mount a shoulder strap. So when that gets here, then I can mount the female dingus receptacle end on the floor there and get the lap belt in, and then seat belts will be done, except for this one up there. But that is what I've gotten done tonight, which I feel pretty good about. And before I weather strip adhesived this and installed this, I painted these door sills, which, you know, I don't want it to look horrible before I paint it, but I also don't want to have to repaint that part. So I got that painted, which, I don't know, one piece at a time. I don't know, it might look okay when I'm done, but eventually I will paint it. And even after I paint it, it might look okay. But anyways, quick video, thought I'd give you an update, what's going on. Still don't have the cluster installed. That is actually because I'll explain on another video, but the tachometer isn't actually correct for this application. So I'll go over that on another video. That tachometer is kind of a universal electronic tachometer going to 4,000 RPM. And I just wanted to verify that what I did was correct, and what I did was correct for how I had it in my head. But I'll go over that on another video. Let's just say it'll be some more nerdery going on. But I'm done for tonight. Gonna head in. So thanks for watching.